Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video I will show you how you can know or check when you posted a reel on Instagram. If you want to know the date of a particular reel that you posted on Instagram, I will show you how you can check that. So let's start with the video. Alright, you first of all need to go to the Instagram app, and this is just my tutorial account. So I will show you one of my reels that I have posted, and I will show you how you can check the date when you posted it. So you can directly go to that particular reel. Make sure you have turned on professional account. Then you will be able to see the insights for your account, and you will also see the date. So if I will open this reel, and if I will press the three dots at the bottom right, I will get the option to view insights. You just need to press that, and here you will get all the details about views, likes and comments, as well as the date on which you posted this reel, as well as the duration of this reel. So you can see the date right here. That's how you can check the date for any reel on Instagram that you have posted on your account. So yeah, that was it for today's topic. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos. And if you have any issues or doubts related to any of my videos, you can let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.